How do bees make honey? Firstly, what is the most important ingredient needed to make honey? Nectar from flowers. What is nectar? A sugary secretion made by plants within the flowers. Nectar attracts pollinating insects like bees. How do bees collect nectar? They suck up nectar droplets from flowers using their special tongue called a proboscis. What happens to the nectar? When it reaches the bee's stomach, it is broken down and temporarily stored. What does the bee do next? Bee will return to its colony in the beehive, and then pass the nectar onto a younger house bee. How is the nectar passed from one bee to another? Usually, this occurs via a mouth-to-mouth process so that the moisture content of the nectar can be reduced. What is the role of the house bee? The house bee now has the nectar and packs the nectar into hexagon-shaped honey cells called honeycomb. How is the nectar turned into honey? The main process involves the evaporation of water. This is done by house bees drying out the nectar using the warm breeze made by their wings. Honey is stored in the honeycomb, and its flavour is determined by what type of flower the nectar was taken from. Why do bees make honey? The honey is stored so it can be fed to baby bees and to the bees in the hive during winter. So what have you learned? Let's try a quiz. What is honey made out of? A. Nectar. B. Pollen. C. Chocolate. The answer is A. Nectar. Honey is made from nectar. The bees help evaporate the moisture content of nectar to help turn it into honey. How do bees dry out the nectar? A. By flapping their wings. B. By stepping on it. C. By blowing on it. The answer is A. By flapping their wings. The bees flap their wings, which dries out the nectar, helping it turn into honey. See you on next video.